What's up, everybody? Today we're riding the Mississippi Parkway, otherwise known as the Missing Link. As you can see here, we're about to pass a few of these bikers. Over on my big hee-haw as we pass them. Hee-haw! Bet you he's booking it at booking.com. Such a beautiful day here in the Parkway. A lot of sun, a lot of trees, a lot of birds and bees. Which is something the parents should be teaching you about. You didn't hear that from me. Whoa! Trying to keep that front end down. You gotta watch this thing. It's a little rough. Hey, how you doing? How you doing there, buddy? Well, since I've been talking your head off here, I'm going to switch over to a short movie. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for riding with me. And remember to love, peace, and hair grease. And always spade and neuter your pets.
Emotion got my statement, and I mean